Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create custom stamps to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this tools option, this right sidebar top, and scroll down. Here you will find this stamps option. Click here. Now click on this custom setting stamps and select here create stamps. Now click on this browse option and open your folder and select your custom signature or logo and see this. Now select OK and rename this stamp name and finally select OK and go stamp option and select name and stamps and put your stamp anywhere you want to place. Increase decrease this stamp and see this. In this way, you can create custom stamps or upload your stamp on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.